Let's jump right into this explainer. Look, if you're struggling to capture leads or honestly just streamline how you collect information online, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're looking at an absolute game changer for WordPress users. We're breaking down FormPax Pro. It's this incredibly intelligent plugin designed to just completely cure those form building frustrations. As we walk through this step by step, we're going to look at exactly how you can use this tool to transform your website from a boring, passive digital brochure into an active, automated lead generation machine. Let's get into it.
So think about this. What if building powerful forms took minutes instead of hours? I mean, we've all been there, right? You're a website owner and you just want to collect some basic information from your visitors. But instead, you're wrestling with it. You're dealing with low conversion rates, abandoned inquiries, and staring at these messy, cluttered dashboards trying to decipher complicated settings. The struggle is literally so real. But what if artificial intelligence could step in and actually create, optimize, automate, and analyze your forms for you?
To really wrap our heads around the leap forward here, we kind of have to contrast that old traditional experience with FormPax. Look, most traditional form builders were designed, years ago. They force you to navigate through a dozen tabs, manage confusing interfaces, and sometimes, worst of all, touch actual code before you can launch a single form. It's time-consuming and frankly exhausting. FormPax Pro, though, it represents a total paradigm shift. It takes all that complexity and just replaces it with an AI-powered modern WordPress solution that's actually built for agencies, marketers, schools, e-commerce stores, you name it. Basically, any growing business.
Okay, let's dive into this step by step. Our agenda for today. First up, AI generation. Then drag and drop customization. Third is logic and payments. Fourth, workflow automation. Fifth, advanced analytics. And finally, number 6, templates and launch.
Step 1, AI generation.
So this completely eliminates blank screen anxiety. Imagine logging into your WordPress dashboard, and instead of having to build something entirely from scratch, you just type a simple natural language prompt, something exactly like this. I need a customer feedback form. And that's it. You just describe what you need in plain English. Instantly, the FormPax AI understands that context and automatically generates the necessary fields for you. We're talking name, email, a rating scale, a comment section. It translates your idea into a fully functional form in literally seconds. No coding. Zero complexity, just immediate results.
And hey, it definitely doesn't stop at just feedback forms. This AI is incredibly versatile. Whether you need a simple contact form, a complex booking form for appointments, an in-depth survey, user registration, or a highly detailed application, you just tell FormPax what you want and it builds it out professionally. It's this massive time saver that literally gets you 90% of the way there instantly.
Step 2, drag and drop customization.
Now, getting 90% of the way there is amazing, but you still need that final 10% of personalization, right? This is where the drag and drop builder comes in. The whole process is incredibly intuitive and gives you total control. You want to add new fields? Just drag them right into place. You can easily rearrange the layout so it fits your specific page design beautifully, customize the text labels to match your brand's unique voice, and adjust validation rules, like say making a phone number field absolutely mandatory. And the absolute best part? Everything updates in a real-time live preview. What you see on your screen is exactly what your website visitors are going to see.
Step 3, logic and payments.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how conditional logic completely transforms the user experience. Because now that we have our customized form, it's time to supercharge it, make it dynamic, make it profitable. Instead of showing every single visitor this massive, intimidating wall of questions, the form actually adapts dynamically. So if a user selects business owner from a dropdown, boom, suddenly additional business-specific questions appear. If they select student instead, well, those business questions just stay hidden. You are delivering a highly personalized experience. This significantly reduces friction and helps you collect much better, cleaner data.
And of course, forms aren't just for collecting data, right? They are for transactions. FormPax Pro integrates seamlessly with the biggest payment gateways out there. We're talking Stripe, PayPal, Paystack, and Flutterwave. This means your business can accept event registrations, process upfront deposits, sell digital or even physical products, collect nonprofit donations, or receive payments for booked appointments. And you can do all of this without the user ever having to leave your WordPress website. It basically turns a simple form into a complete checkout experience.
Step 4, workflow automation.
Once your user actually fills out the form and hits that submit button, we move right into the automation stage. And this is really where you earn back hours of your week. Just paint a picture of this specific moment in your head. A visitor is on your website, they've filled out your beautifully customized, logically dynamic form, and they click Submit. That single action, that is your trigger. In the old days, that just meant an email hit your inbox, and then you had to do all the manual follow-up work yourself. But not anymore.
With FormPax Pro, that one single trigger sets off an entire chain reaction of automated actions. Automatically, a personalized confirmation email is sent directly to the customer. At the exact same time, your CRM is updated with their new contact info. A notification is instantly pinged over to your sales team so they can follow up right away. An external spreadsheet gets updated with the data for your records, and the customer is automatically tagged in your system. You just connect your external applications, route the submissions automatically, and you literally eliminate those repetitive manual tasks forever.
Step 5. Advanced Analytics.
Okay, so your form is live, and it's automating your workflows like a charm. But how do you know if it's actually working well? You need data to stop the guessing game. And this brilliantly illustrates how the built-in dashboard helps you do exactly that. It gives you these beautiful charts and conversion metrics. You don't just see how many completed submissions you have, you can actually monitor submission trends and identify very specific drop-off points. So if you notice that 80% of your users are abandoning the form the second they hit the phone number field, the analytics will show you that right away. You can then just go back to the drag-and-drop builder, make that phone number field optional, and watch your conversions instantly improve. You're making smarter business decisions based on real, tangible data.
Step 6. Templates and launch.
Now, sometimes you don't even want to use the AI to generate a form from scratch. Sometimes you just need to deploy something proven, and you need to deploy it right now. FormPax Pro comes packed with a huge gallery of professionally designed templates across all the major categories. Whether you need lead generation, event signups, or payment collection forms, you never have to start from a blank slate if you don't want to. You just browse the categories, select a template, edit your specific details, and hit publish. It is absolutely the fastest way to get a professional, high-converting form live on your site in a matter of minutes.
So the really crucial takeaway here is this. Businesses absolutely love this tool because it directly tackles the overarching goals of basically any organization. Whether you're a solo freelancer, a bustling digital agency, or a massive enterprise organization, FormPax grows right alongside you. It is explicitly designed to help you generate more leads by providing frictionless user experiences, vastly reduce your manual workload through that intelligent workflow automation we talked about, and ultimately scale your business faster by increasing those all-important form completion rates. And that brings us to this incredibly powerful summary quote from our source material. Build forms intelligently, automate effortlessly, grow confidently. I mean, it really perfectly encapsulates the entire philosophy behind this plugin. At the end of the day, it's about working smarter on your WordPress site, not harder.
Which leaves us with one final, very important question for you to consider. Are you ready to join the thousands of users who are creating faster, smarter, and more powerful forms? If you are tired of the messy dashboards and all of that manual data entry, it just might be time to completely transform how you collect information. Get out there, explore the tool, and see exactly what AI can do for your workflow today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.